mgbe kwesịrị ịdị soft. Juventus. Odogwu dị soft. Umuazi adoya vam.
Enough of the pity game. Stop making people to see me as evil and you as the good one. Yul Edochie don't finally speak up on him and his wife matter. My people, is your girl seeing you. Today's episode, Yul Edochie and May Edochie matter we carry come. May Edochie, the estranged wife of Yul Edochie, in the celebration of her new year, come out to say 2023 really did her dirty. Say 2023 stole her flesh and blood. She is hoping for a better 2024. Yul Edochie comes here and come reply by say enough of the pity game. Say he kept quiet all through 2023. He allowed her to be tarnishing her image. Say for this 2024, no, he can no longer take it. Say he go speak up. Make we read wetin he type. 2023 stole your flesh and blood, but you still had enough time to do breast enlargement surgery and tummy tuck without your husband's consent. Obviously endorsed by your boyfriend. Enough of the manipulation. Stop manipulating people on social media to hate me and feel pity for you while you enjoy your life secretly because they don't know the real you. I will not take it in 2024. I have been silent for too long. I've been doing my best to protect your image while you doing all you can to destroy mine. Enough is enough. I have had enough. Now wetin Yul Edochie come talk say May Edochie do be this. Do you think Yul Edochie framed this up? Who do you think is on the right track? Drop your comment in the comment section. See you guys in my next episode. Bye.